Hey everyone, I'm here today to give you guys a quick demonstration of my new Python library, pytronlinks, version 0.3.2. This will help you integrate some Python scripts or what have you into the Mega Voice command LINKS Mark II, which is free software. You can get yours from megavoicecommand.com, index, downloads. Once you're there, scroll down to the very bottom, and it's the free download button. If you want to donate, feel free to donate as well. I'm sure those guys would really appreciate it. Anyways, once you have that, you're going to want to download Python. I hope most of you guys already have Python installed. And from there, you just need to install the library. So it would be pip install pytron links, and we'll do the upgrade modifier just to make sure we have the newest version. Requirement up to date, so we're good to go. So we can launch Python. We can import the library. And we'll assign it to a variable, the client, and now you can run some functions. So there's one like talk. That'll make links talk. Listen up.
Hello, thanks for watching my video.
You can emulate speech, like so anything that you normally say to links, like what time is it, or any commands that you've programmed in, you can plug into here and it'll be the same as talking to them. So like you can say what time is it, going to do. When you use emulate speech, he's got to be on.
Listening enabled. 5:42 p.m. Links. Listening disabled.
Boom's 5:42 p.m. Couple quick examples there. Here, I wanted to show you something too. So like let's say you have a script, or you're a Python programmer or something like that, and you have a script that you need to run for a while because it takes a while to return an answer. It might be in the next room, you know, the responses are usually printed to screen. You can get your personal assistant to actually speak to you. He'll let you know when he's done. So I've got this problem I should say, that I kind of scabbed off the internet. It's the traveling salesman problem. It takes a little while for it to come up with an answer, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it, we'll close it off, and then once Links has the answer, he's just going to tell me what it is. So, let's run that program. Okay, so that's going to be running in the background. Hopefully that doesn't eat up too much CPU. Come over here, we can check out some of the functions that are in here. So, you can load the code yourself from the client, and that's going to show all the functions over here that you can do. So you got emulate speech, custom, there's a listen function. I want to do some examples on that stuff today, but it's going to be out of the reach of this video. I just want to give you guys a quick example, how to get it going. You can use your imagination. There's documentation for every function in here, so if you want to know how one's run, you can pretty much look in the code, and there will be an example probably somewhere how to use it. And everything's called right from the namespace. So like let's take a look here. Like what do we got? Like we got let's do the let's do get. Let's get the variable. Okay, so that's going to get a variable from the links customization XML user variables.xml document.
I have found the solution to your traveling salesman problem, and it only took 1 minute and 11 seconds. The minimum distance to visit all 11 points is 11.0 steps.
There you go. So cool. I guess our script finished running in the background. You know, if that was something you're just doing at home and the input was to come up on here, something like that, you might miss it. You know, you might not get it as fast as you want, or it might just be cooler to have someone tell you the answer. I don't know. Maybe you're scraping data off a website, IMDb or something like that. Anyway, moving on. Just wanted to show you, what was I doing here? So we've got the get. Oh yeah, we're going to use get. So that's going to get a variable. So I have get set up. You can actually assign the return to your own variable. So if you want to pull a user variable out of Links variable set and use it in your own code, you can do that. So we're going to go AI, call the function get. Alright, now I've got this loaded up here already, our user variables. So we've got one variable named Pytron, one named last subject. Let's just use this Pytron one. So we'll get that. So that's assigned to X, right? So we can print X now. The This is a video example. Look, this is a video example. You know, let's change that. We've got a set function here. We can set the Pytron variable to, I don't know, this is a new example. Alright, so that's set. So now we can get that new variable, assign it to x, and then print x. This is a new example. So you can, you can kind of manipulate some variables and stuff right from links within your Python code and send it back for him to talk. So like you could do AI.talk, right? And you could speak what that variable is.
This is a new example.
So there you go. You could even say AI.talk how do I want to do this here now? You know what? Actually, that's good. I want you guys to use your imaginations, and I want you guys to use it for whatever you desire. I don't want to box you in with however I think you should be using it. You can set variables, look through the code. Python's incredibly awesome. It's really easy to learn, really easy to use. More functions being added all the time. Any questions, feel free to hop on the GitHub and leave issues, questions, whatever you want here in the issues, and I'll try to get them as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day.